Namaste, Vanakkam, Hare Krishna. Welcome to Conscious Cooking. Today we are welcoming the beautiful spring season with a delicious, bountiful Italian market salad. So to make an Italian market salad, you can use a host of ingredients with so many variations. Today we're going to be using a whole lot of different leaves that are different colors and textures, and we're going to also add to this a whole lot of salad and vegetable ingredients like carrot, asparagus, tomato, steamed broccoli and cauliflower, and some sprouts. And we're also going to add some artichoke hearts and olives. So we're just going to tear lightly our gorgeous salad leaves. We're also going to add to this some just finely shredded cos lettuce, again to give us a nice texture to the salad. And remember, if you are shredding lettuce, you do this right at the end so that your lettuce doesn't change color. And we will also slice some cucumber thinly. Let's put that in. We're going to be adding in some of these Kalamata olives. I'm also using artichoke hearts, and I'm just going to be slicing them into quarters. And now we're going to add in some of our salad and vegetable ingredients. I have some carrot slivers. I have lightly steamed asparagus, lightly steamed broccoli, and some cauliflower, some bean sprouts, and some delicious Italian tomatoes. And we're going to now bring all this together with a delicious dressing that I'm going to make. To make our dressing, I've lightly toasted about 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and I'm going to crush it so that it has a nice fine texture, and that's going to go into our yogurt and avocado. Now I'm going to add this into my bowl in which I have half a chopped avocado, and to this I'm going to add about half a cup of thick yogurt. And now we're going to spice this lovely mixture in the following way. I'm going to use about half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. We're going to use some dried oregano. If you like, you can use a little bit more ordinary Italian herb. We've got some freshly ground jeera powder, cumin. I'm going to use about half a teaspoon of mustard powder. And we're going to salt for some taste. And you have to add enough salt so that it is enough for the quantity of salad that you're making, not just for the dressing. And we're going to finally add in some black pepper. Again, to season for taste. And we're not done. We're now going to add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And about 2 tablespoons of honey. And you're going to give all this a really good mix. You can see how creamy and delicious it is already. And finally, we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And just give it another mix. So we're now going to add this dressing to the rest of our ingredients. And there you have it, a lovely colorful introduction to the lovely spring bounty with our Italian market salad.